Here at Transport Heritage Australia, we love the power of steam. Be that in miniature or full size. This 2-tonne lump of iron is the engine that will power our 118-year-old timber tugboat, the Argos. However, this 80-year-old engine is only half of the propulsion puzzle. We need something to make the steam, of course. A boiler, like this one, only bigger. Luckily, our friends at the Sydney Heritage Fleet have just the boiler for us. This one, which they're prepared to sell for $5,000. We have 4 weeks to raise that $5,000 sum. The boiler is the last big piece of equipment needed to bring the Argos back to a huffing, puffing and whistling past. So please, follow the link below to our GoFundMe campaign. Donations are quick and easy to make and every little bit helps. Until then, happy steaming.